Hey, you there. Yes, you. Stop scrolling. Welcome to Luminous Cinema. The stories you watch aren't just stories. They're messages, whispers from something greater. Every scene, every word, guiding you, revealing what you've been missing. The answers aren't out there. They've been in front of you all along. Are you ready to see? The screen flickers. The monk steps aside. The light pulls you in.
Computer, it's moving. Hey, where is she?
Life was given to us 1 billion years ago. Now you know what to do with it.
You saw it, didn't you? The truth wasn't just in the story. It was in you, waiting to be uncovered. Now ask yourself, what did this reveal? The journey isn't over. It's only just begun. Subscribe, share, comment. Thank you for watching.